Chris is a home expert from HomeServe. Today he'll be showing you how to repressurise your boiler. If your boiler has stopped working, the problem could be low pressure, which is something you can fix. A reading of less than 1 bar on a digital gauge, or the needle being below the green area on a hydraulic gauge, is a sign of low pressure. You'll need to open the filling loop valve. This boiler has just one valve, some have 2. You'll need to turn both valves if yours has 2. If you can't find the filling loop, it may be attached to the boiler. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions. You should hear water entering the system. When the pressure reads between 1 and 1.5, or reaches the green area on the gauge, close both valves and switch your boiler back on. Your boiler may require a reset if this still hasn't worked. Good job! You can now enjoy a nice hot shower or bath and get the heating on. Still need a hand? For more hints and tips, or to get in touch if you need a home expert, visit HomeServe.com.